Disclaimer: certain comments made in this presentation may be characterized as forward-looking. Forward-looking statements are based on our current assumptions and understanding regarding future business and offerings. Good day! Welcome to IBM Chatbot, a conversation AI platform that helps you provide customers with fast, straightforward, and accurate answers. For this IBM Chatbot tutorial, we will be joined by my co-members. The first we're going to learn is from Cruz. He will be showing us some steps about creating an instance of Watson's assistant, creating intents, and importing intents. The next is Joyce Dayrit, who will be teaching us about creating entities and importing and exporting entities. Then Kian Aguas will cover up on implementing the dialog. Last but not the least, for defining domain-specific intents, it will be taught by Chavez. But first, let me give you some knowledge about IBM Watson Assistant. So what is IBM Watson? IBM Watson Assistant is a white-labeled cloud service that allows enterprise-level software developers to embed an artificial intelligence virtual assistant in the software they are developing and brand the assistant as their own. The service, which gives consumers access to Watson AI, is delivered through the IBM Cloud. The next we're going to talk about is the chatbot. So what is a chatbot? A chatbot is an artificial intelligence software that can simulate a conversation or a chat with a user in natural language through messaging applications, websites, mobile apps, or through the telephone. For some additions, here are some information on IBM Watson Assistant versus its competitors. IBM claims it gives businesses more control over the information that flows through a virtual assistant than Alexa for Business or Google Assistant. On the consumer side, Apple Siri, Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Microsoft Cortana are among the most prominent competitors to IBM Watson Assistant. Now that you know what IBM Watson Assistant is, let's now go to our video tutorials on how to create a Watson Assistant.
First, go to cloud.ibm.com. Enter your account or create an account to register. Enter your email, your password. Make sure to follow the listed requirements. Then next, you can save it. To verify this, go to your email and copy and paste the verification code. Then next, fill up your personal profile, your first name, last name, country, and then next. After that, you will now automatically log in. And then proceed. And the welcome dialog will appear. Click Source in creating Watson Assistant. Click Watson Assistants. Then you'll be directed to a Watson Assistant creation page. Choose your location, then create. You will be redirected to IBM Watson Assistant by click the Launch button. Create Assistant. Add on action skill. Enter the name of your chosen skill and then create. Now you have dialog skill. Now create the dialog skill, then choose between the two and your preference. Create intent, type intent name, greetings, click create. Input some examples. Hello, hi, good day, good morning. Then create another intent for thank you. Just like the first one, enter user examples. Then repeat the process on the third one for intent goodbyes. After that, you can try it now. As you can see, if we enter the given example, the intents will display. Same with the thank you and goodbyes. Now, let's proceed in deleting user example by clicking the intents. Then go to your list and check the chosen one, then delete. Now, let's proceed in importing intents. Select all the intents, then click download. After that, download the CSV file from the given module. Name it as hours and location intents as per the instruction, then save. Afterwards, go back to the skill, then click the upload intents button. Choose the downloaded file, then upload. Now you have now successfully uploaded the intents. Then let's proceed on the next one.
The first thing you have to do is go to My Entities and click Create Entity. Name your entity as Location. Then insert the first value as Montreal. Next is Calgary, Vancouver, and then Toronto. But for Toronto, add a synonym to it and put Warden Avenue. Then let's try it out by asking the hours of operation of Warden Avenue. As you can see, it shows the hours of Toronto store. Now go back to your entity dictionary and select Vancouver. Then click Toggle Recommend Synonyms, select Burnaby and then add selected. Now, try it again by asking where is Burnaby located. Now for importing entities, download the CSV file given from the module. After you are done downloading, click Upload Entities and select the CSV file. Click Upload and you are now done downloading an entity.
First, click the dialog section and take a moment to investigate, welcome, and anything else notes. Open the trial panel to check the chatbot. Edit the welcome node assistant response. Change Florence to Kian and Flower to Shoe. Open again the try it panel and see the change. Let's type hello, hi, and hey. Watson recognized the right intent but doesn't have nodes to handle greetings. Clear and close the try it panel. And add the fourth variation. Just copy and paste it here. Close the panel and add folder. Name it to chitchat. Move it below node. Add node folder. Name it to greetings. Input condition #greetings. Add assistant response. Hi there, how can I help you? Also, hello, how may I assist you today? Hi, what can I help you with? Try it. Type hi, and this is the response. Clear and close. Add node above. Oops, sorry. Add node below. Name it to thank you. Input condition #thank you. Add assistant response. You're welcome. Please let me know. And my pleasure. No problem. Let me know there is anything else I can help with. Close it and repeat the process. Add node below and name it to goodbyes. Input condition #goodbyes. Add assistant respond. Nice talking you today and have a nice day. Lastly is goodbye. Click set to random and click try it out panel. Type hi, thanks, and bye now. As you can see, there's a response.
So now for Lab 7, define domain-specific intents. For exercise 1, which is respond to hours of operation requests, what you will do is click add node and name it as hours of operation. Then put hours_info in the condition. After that, you will put a response to it. I just copied a response from our module, so it will be faster. Then try it by asking the question, when is Vancouver store open? So as you can see, the chatbot answers our question. The next thing you're going to do is add a child node to hours of operation and name it as our locations. And in the condition, put at location. After selecting location, you click customize. Click customize and then turn on multiple condition responses and then apply. Then you have to enter the store location and its response. Repeat it 4 times until you enter Toronto, Calgary, Montreal, and Vancouver. After you enter all 4 locations, go back to hours of operation, click wait for reply and change it to skip user input. And on our locations, add node below and name it as no location. Then put true in the condition and then enter the response for it. Now try it out by asking some questions. The questions we're going to ask are, what are your hours of operations in Toronto? The second one is, what are your hours in Calgary? Next is, what are your hours in Seattle? Then, what are your hours of operation? So as you can see, each questions have been answered according to the response that you entered to them. Now go back to hours of operation. Click the arrow to compress the nodes. Then click the 3 dots and duplicate hours of operation. Change its name to location information. And then location underscore info on the condition. Click customize, turn on multiple responses and then apply. Now same as the first one, enter the location in the condition and on the response. Enter a location where the store is located. You can get creative and create your own location. Repeat it 4 times until you enter all 4 locations. Now on the no location node, change its response by copying the new one from the module. When you're done entering the response, now let's test out a full conversation. We're going to ask a few questions. The first one is hello. The next one is, where are your stores located? Then what are your hours of operation in Montreal? Thank you. And bye. So as you can see, the chatbot automatically answers all the questions based on the response you have put into them. Now that's all. Thank you.